Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletieri, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Saturday. It is magically the 22nd day of the month of June, a month that now has turned quite warm. As a matter of fact, temperatures well above normal from the middle portion of this month all across the central and eastern portion of the nation. A lot of folks are saying it's climate change, but, take a look back to the month of May. During that time, the aurora borealis was seen all the way down into North Florida and the Gulf Coast, and many places along the Gulf Coast, extending all the way back up to northern portions of New Jersey and into New England, of course, as you get further north. The northern lights were more predominant, and that's an indication of solar activity. In other words, the sun has been sending a lot of energy out into space, and it's now just reaching the Earth. And it first shows up as the northern lights because of the magnetic variations that occur by protecting us with the radiation belt, protecting us from all that solar radiation. But it also represents heat. So there has been a lot of heat that the atmosphere has absorbed, and it's just gotten warmer. And that's why our temperatures over the next several days and for the remainder of this month of June are going to be well above normal. And for the Northeast corridor, looks like temperatures of 95 to 100, common from D.C. to Baltimore, Philly, New York City, and even up in the Boston area, it'll be in the lower 90s. Showers and thunderstorms because of a frontal system that extends from the central portion of the Great Lakes right to the eastern seaboard. And that front will slowly, gradually trudge on through the New York area and bring some showers and thunderstorms there. It's been dry in June so far in the Northeast. And then eventually we'll probably have a little bit of drier or cooler weather for a day, maybe on Monday. Then the front goes back north and gives us temperatures once again midweek in the mid-90s. So this heat wave will most probably continue right up until Wednesday for the Northeast corridor. But it also looks like a frontal system, a strong front at that, will be moving through next weekend, and hopefully we'll get into some more normal conditions for this time of year. Elsewhere across the nation, look at the weather situation across the nation shows generally good weather in Atlanta, Charlotte, those two major airline hubs, also Houston, Dallas-Fort Worth, also looking fairly good. A frontal system that has been from the central Great Lakes extending all the way down to the Four Corners region continues to cause showers and thunderstorms in and around the central portion of Lake Michigan, across through Wisconsin, central and northern portions of Michigan, UP there, and also around the Chicago area. There'll be some frontal system moving through with some heavy thunderstorms probably either Saturday night or Sunday. That can cause some delays into there. West Coast still looking dry. L.A., San Diego, all the way up to San Francisco, even up to Portland and into the Seattle area. Looks like generally fair conditions. Florida still under scattered showers and thunderstorms, not the organized heavy amounts of rains that we saw earlier in the month. However, there is the potential, of course, with thunderstorms in Florida. Those Florida thunderstorms could give you quite a bit of rainfall, just a short period of time. And, of course, that could cause some flash flooding down there as an upper-level low-pressure system just over the northern portion of the state in southern Georgia. So no problems weather-wise into the Atlanta area or Charlotte or out into Chicago. There might be some thunderstorms, dry into Texas, good on the west coast. Northeast, however, the possibility of some thunderstorms may cause some delays later on Saturday and Saturday night, also on Sunday up around the Boston area. Northern New England, also under clouds and some rainy conditions. That is the weather situation for your Saturday. Hope you have a good day. Try to keep cool. Of course, plenty of water, stay in the shade, and try to get into some of that air conditioning from time to time. That is the weather story so far for the day. Have a great one. Talk to you first thing Sunday.